Hello student. Today I will start third chapter of political life, types of government. So in this chapter I will explain about the type of government and its function. So let's start. First, what is a government? Government क्या है? A government is a group of people that manage the country, that control the country, and it is a body of people that frame policies, make some policies, and exercise control through various organizations and laws. That government frame so many policies and make law for the citizens. So our government is our leader, and that government makes certain rules to manage the country. For example, that government also take care of our health, education, basic needs like water, electricity, law and order. You can find in your locality government hospital and government school also. There are some important functions of our government which are given below. First is it undertakes social welfare program. Welfare program जो किसी सोसाइटी के फेवर में हो, उनकी भलाई के लिए हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रिमूव पॉवर्टी, गरीबी को हटाना. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, जो लोगों को काम नहीं मिलता उनको काम प्रोवाइड करना. एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, नो वॉइसनेस एंड इलिटरेसी, दैट के एजुकेशन है वो सबके पास हो. And government also maintain law and order, and it also maintain peaceful relation with neighboring country, कि किसी हमारी neighboring country के साथ fight ना हो, war ना हो. It also protect our international border with help of armed force. आपने देखा होगा on the TV, in the news, कि जो हमारे border हैं वहाँ पे 24 hours जो हमारी army है वो रहती है. Next, it organize relief work which is essential for a living person, like food, shelter and health. And it also build and maintain roads, sewage, disposal system, hospitals, schools, these things made by the government. And it also arrange electricity, cooking gas, drinking water, which facility provided by the government. And such as postal mean we can send letter, card, greeting card to our relatives and friends. Transport, we use trains and buses. These are also government facility. And government also build and run hospitals, school. So these are main functions of our government. Next is level of government. So we have three type of level: national, state and local level. So what is different between these three levels? So first, national levels, which is known as central government, manage the affair of country, जो पूरे nations को, पूरे countries को control करता है. And state government look after the welfare of particular state. State government responsible only for a particular state. For example, Punjab government is responsible for activities of Punjab only. And next is local government. Village, town and cities are looked after by local self-governments. So these are three levels of government. Next is function of the government. Main function of the government, that is make law, and people have to follow these rules and regulations. These function of government carried out by its three organs. First is legislature, which is law making body, जहाँ लॉ बनाए जाते हैं, दिस इज नोन एज लेजिस्लेचर. एग्जीक्यूटिव, विच इम्प्लीमेंट दीज लॉ, इन लॉज को लागू करवाना एग्जीक्यूटिव का काम है. अवर मिनिस्टर्स, अवर पुलिस इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर लॉ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. नेक्स्ट इज जुडिशरी, हु पुनिश द लॉ ब्रेकर. सो पार्लियामेंट इज द लेजिस्लेटिव बॉडी विच इज law making body, and state legislative body make law for the particular state. For example, pollution certificate is compulsory for the vehicle if it means this law made by the legislative. If anyone caught without a valid pollution control certificate, then that person will have to pay a fine of 1000. So this is the implementation which work is done by the executive. Third is the judiciary resolve disputes and ensure the law are followed. And व्हाट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ जुडिशरीज, कि कोई ऐसा काम ना करे, अगर ऐसा काम करता है तो उसको फाइन करना, उसको पनिश करना, दैट इज़ द वर्क ऑफ जुडिशरी. Next is type of government. Monarchy is the oldest, most common form of government. So under this monarchy, a king or queen who is most powerful in an area, and this form of government is hereditary. Hereditary means that son or daughter of the king or queen will the next king or queen after his or her retirement or death. So under this monarchy, these king and queen also have some ministers who advise them on all issues. But the advice of this minister may or may not be followed. ज़रूरी नहीं था कि उनकी सारी बातें माननी भी है, sometime वो refuse भी कर देते थे. So this show that will of king or queen is all powerful. तो जो राजा की या रानी की इच्छा होगी वही सबसे ज़्यादा powerful है. Next is dictatorship. Under this dictatorship, all decision making power in the hand of one individual or small group of individuals. एक ही पर्सन्स के पास हो या 4-5 पर्सन्स का ग्रुप हो जिनके पास एक नेशंस को कंट्रोल करने की पावर हो. सो दैट अडोल्फ हिटलर इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ डिक्टेटर किंग. बहुत एक ऑर्थोडॉक्स रूलर रहा है जिसने खुद का ही अपनी पावर को बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, लोगों को एक्सप्लॉइट किया है. नेक्स्ट इज यूनिटरी फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. यूनिटरी मीनिंग ओनली वन. There is one government for whole nation, not for the state level, not for the local level. For example, Great Britain and China. And federal form, in this system power is distributed between center and state government, for example our India and USA. So this is all about this lecture. Next topic, democracy, I will start in the next lecture. Thank you, student.